All right, so the next section is going to be the purpose of the website. I have three primary things I think every website is designed for. I'll mention those to you. You let me know if I'm on track or if I've missed something, or if you want to add anything else. So first would be lead generation and new client acquisition. Second would be to create operational efficiencies, which basically means removing some duplicate processes that are happening in the company. And the third one is reactivation and engagement of old or past clients or / existing clients.
Sounds good.
All right. Okay, hang on, I just thought of something. I'm going to go down to the call to actions, and I want to add, we have not done this, I want to add something that is, send us a referral. Or actually refer a friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, unique selling proposition. If you guys were going to give me your kind of elevator pitch on how you guys are really different and what makes you stand out, talk to me about that.
Yep, we have extended service hours. We obviously 24 hours all the time, but we have what we call 8 to 8, same great rate. Now, I have a little bit of an issue with that exact phrase, 8 to 8, same great rate. There's a company that's been driving me nuts that says they have that trademarked. So same great rate, so we have to reword it differently. Yeah, same great rate. Yep. Clean, neat. We're customer service orientated. We have kind of the Walmart, Home Depot mentality where we want to make it easy to do business with us. And when it's convenient for the customer, not convenient for us. I mean, I don't know if I don't really say that part, but that's kind of, that's kind of really what we're about. We'll make it easy for you. Yeah. Okay, that pretty much sums up very easy.
All right, awesome. What about financing options or rebates?
Yeah, we offer financing. Yeah. We have a 0% financing on installation. 24-hour service, if you want to add that until 8 to 8, same rate line,
Tell me the last one again.
24-hour service, kind of ties into on our installations, we have better than warranties than normal. Some of our installations come with 7-year labor warranties. Improved. Okay, I like how you word it. Nice. I don't know. What else do we have? Anything else can you think of, Linda? Best warranties, okay.
Fully trained, uniformed.
Fully trained, yeah. I mean, we got all that basic stuff. Fully trained, uniformed.
Booty wearing.
Booty wearing, yeah. Respect for your home when we're in it. Leave it cleaner when we leave than when we got there. Booty wearing. Yeah, our logo was redesigned too, so I mean, I kind of like it. While you're on the logo thing there, Jennifer.
Yeah, I like it too.
Okay, so now it's kind of redesigned.
Okay, next we'll go through target audience. So are you doing commercial and residential or just residential?
Our primary focus is residential. You know, it's been basically 95% of our business. I mean, we would at some point branch into more commercial, but primarily residential. Residential homeowners.
It's for Doreen. Oh, I see it here. Yeah, between 5 and 6, yes. That's no problem.
So if I broke down the different areas into residential services, commercial, actually let's do solutions. So if we did residential services, commercial solutions, preferred customers, and client services, what are your thoughts on that? So you have 2 places for existing clients and 2 homes for prospects.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. All right, header elements is going to be broken into left, center, and right. Left is going to be logo. Let's see what we got going on now.
You want Monday, May 12th?
Yeah, just Jennifer, when we're talking about that 8 to 8 same grade rate, we have to try to somehow reword that because I'm part of the Service Roundtable. It's a big company out of Dallas, Texas. You've probably heard of them. And a guy sent me a letter. He's got that phrase 8 to 8 same grade rate trademarked. I just got another letter in the mail last week because somehow when you Google that trademark for whatever reason, I have good optimization on that. So he has a problem with that exact wording.
All right. I don't know if average people are going to know what 8 to 8 is.
Okay. We somehow have to tweak it.
Tell me what it means first.
You have to answer whatever we need. But that exact phrase is starting to become a little bit of a problem for somebody else in Ohio.
Is 8 to 8 referencing time?
Yeah, exactly.
Got it. Okay, that would
I guess it's not very clear.
No, I wouldn't worry about that. We can do better. Okay. All right, hang on a second. Let me move to the tagline. What's the emergency service number? I can't copy it.
Linda, do you got it there?
Well, our regular phone number is 845-896-HEAT. But we were using a tracking phone number on our website. I don't know, what do you think of that?
Yeah, you can do that. What's it part of? Another service you pay for?
Well, we were doing call tracking through HubSpot, so I'm not sure if this is all going to fall apart when we stop using HubSpot.
Yeah, if you're ever going to use a call tracking line, it needs to be a service that you subscribe to yourself and you own that number. Because renting that number, if we wind up optimizing, the second you put a phone number out on the internet, it's out there permanently. So, and now HubSpot owns that number.
Yeah, so let's use our regular number, 845-896-4328, which spells out HEAT.
43 what?
28.
28. Okay. All right. We've got to have something in the header area the second they get there that says servicing something and surrounding areas. What is that?
Servicing Hudson Valley area. Or do you want to say service? The Hudson Valley area is where we're at. It probably should say off, I think. But it's something's off of Seville. Another thing, probably better than us, post bar, well, you wrote it there on our website. Somehow they were trying to tell me I had to pay for one or whatever. But I guess you got it. You'll have that, you know, but you got it figured out.
What is it?
No, you wrote search bar. The people who designed my website says that they can search without paying for it. So now there's nothing in there right now.
That's crap. We'll fix that.
Okay.
Sorry. Okay.
Tagline with the people.
What the tagline is again?
We're the good folks.
Okay.
Yes.
People.
Perfect. Okay. All right. Yes. What do you think?
Yeah, basically we're only doing the same great rate Monday through Friday right now. So I don't know how you word that. When you wake or when it's late, it's always the same great rate. I like that, Monday through Friday. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. I like that. When you wake or when it's late.
Except you don't want it too late, Dustin, because then, you know, once you get past 8 o'clock.
Yeah. How do you cover that, Jennifer? We're kind of 8 to 8. After 8 o'clock, we do have a different rate, 8 o'clock at night.
Is it
It's kind of what we're doing is like hours. Eventually, I want to go to Saturday and Sunday. I'm just not quite there yet. Bigger companies nationwide do that 7 days a week with no overtime. Monday through Friday, 8 to 8. Yeah. There you go.
Then he can't complain.
When it's late, when it's late, I like that.
I like that.
It's always.
Oh, I like that. I like that way better than his. He can keep his trademark.
Yeah. How did you think of that so quick?
I'm a poet. Don't you know?
Yeah, she's born like that.
I had a right before you. I had a design brief with the DJ, so I was on there rapping.
Okay, sounds.
Okay, let's see here. What's the next one?
3 o'clock run. I can put him in about 3:10.
Oh, I just want to focus. All right, let's see here. Extended service hours, 24/7. I like this. I'm gonna take this off. I don't want this as a slider. Financing options. That's great. This one I already have. Okay. So this is going to be apply now. This is going to be Okay, so got it. All right, homepage elements. You guys focus heating, air conditioners, what else? Boilers.
Boilers, uplifts, yeah, we're a Mitsubishi seller. Uplift is a prominent thing. Indoor air quality, hot water heaters, boilers.
Oh my gosh, I'll fix these in a second.
Right.
Okay.
Hot water heaters. What is it?
I'll put those under heating.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll have a section. This section is going to be our solutions. And then we're going to have just for you. I'm thinking of something like just for you, where we have these guys. Do you guys have any quality video or really good quality pictures?
We don't have any videos. I would love to get some point, but we're not there yet. Have quality pictures ones I think do.
Yeah, we have staff pictures. We have pictures of some jobs.
Okay.
They're not professional quality, but they're good.
Okay. We'll keep
And
those.
we have a couple of videos that were commercials at one point that are on our current website.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I want to make it more mobile. I want the site to feel more current. Okay, so then we have reviews.
Yeah, we're hooked up with this company who
Yep.
does online reviews.
Yeah, terrible.
Okay. Do you have testimonials
Hold on, I'll jump in at 5.
that we can pull off those review sites?
We have that site review buzz, which is constantly updated on a live basis, and that's all current reviews.
Okay, perfect.
We also have some older testimonials, which are on our website as well.
Okay, so I'm going to change that. What our customers what our customers love about our FOLKES. What do you think about that?
I like it.
I like that.
Whatever customers love.
Okay. All right, back. Testimonials for what? 24/7 emergency service. I like that.
Something on the bottom. Builders Association, we're not even a member of that.
Okay. Okay.
The BCD, I think that's the thing.
I'm gonna have them put it in the footer. I don't want any of these. Delete row. I don't want this.
That's okay.
I don't want this. Can you upload, Linda, when you get a second, your logos in Basecamp? There's a section called Files right here.
Okay.
If you just go to Files and say Upload Files, give us as many of your logos and high quality images as possible.
Okay.
Meaning like your, all the design things. You don't need to do that with all the pictures. Those will already be on there. But like this, I need a high quality image. This one, I need a high quality image.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's go into the footer.
Jennifer, how much are you going to need? Because we jump on another call.
How much? Actually, I
We
think,
can hang out a minute.
yeah, I am actually late too. I need, so for the footer, really quick, we have footer left. Let's see here. So my thought was, in the footer section, we have, this section, which is about you, and that's fine, and we'll put social media links under that. And then, do you guys have a mobile app, or is that something you've considered?
A mobile app?
Okay, no.
No.
Okay.
It's different than a mobile app.
Yep. Okay.
And we would consider all these things, you know, we don't have it, I guess. I would definitely, whatever, you know, once it's rolling, I would definitely.
Okay. So I may have them design something that's coming. So left, center, right, center, right. So I'm going to have them left is going to be location, company, info, BBB, and social. Media. Left center is going to be service area map. Right center is going to be, I'm going to say download our mobile app coming soon. Just to check this thing out a little bit. And the right one is going to be schedule service 1. Okay, we're done. You guys, 4 or 5 days probably, I'm guessing, for them to turn around a design. Keep an eye on Basecamp. The second the design comes in, Mike's going to contact you, and he'll go through, help you make all your changes in the system. The designers will get the changes. They'll upload the revised version. The second you say go, they move it into development. That's when they start developing the site. So the quicker we turn things around, the better this is for everyone.
All right,
Okay, great. I'll get what you asked for also.
Thank you.
All right,
Have a good day.
All right, you too. Bye-bye.